Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Easter Daisy Duck. So first we're going to get started with the Easter egg shape for the body. So from the center, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that around and then in towards the bottom of our page. And then we'll start back on the top, replicating that on the right, bringing this all the way down, and then back in, blending that together. In the center now, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. Moving up above for the beak, we're going to curve this line up, down, back up, and then in. And then we'll come across on the right, replicating that shape, blending that in together in the center. For the eyes now, we're going to draw in an arch line on the right. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line across. For the pupil, we're going to draw in another arch line from the corner. And then on the top, we're going to draw in another circle. For the eyelashes, we're going to start further in, curving this up. And we'll come across and do that 3 times in total, getting shorter as we come down towards our bottom eyelash. Now moving down, we're going to draw in a flower in the center. So leaving a gap, we're going to draw in a circle in the middle. And then we're going to draw in the flower shape around. So starting from the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, we're just going to bring this curved line back in towards the middle, connecting that together. On both sides now, from the center, we're going to curve this line across, bringing that up. Now let's draw in our bow. So as we come over in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that down on the right. For the shape of the bow on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then now let's draw in our left ear. So from the center, stepping further over slightly, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then stepping further in on the side of the bow again, we're going to curve this line around and then back down. And then now let's draw in our right ear. So coming up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line out. And now from the top, we're just going to again curve this line around and then in towards our ear on the left. And now starting from the top, we're going to curve that down and then closing off the bow on the right, curving that back in on the side. Stepping in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line back up. And now on both sides, again, just curving this line across. And that is it. That's how you draw Easter Daisy Duck. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.